pull gravity does not determine. Good job, Brad. Got it, guys. Mrs. Mulhart, what's the exact explanation of definition 2?
It was just like parentheses to say that it's the same district, but definition 4.
Yeah.
Mr. Smith?
We put
Hey, Carl.
amount of space and object takes up.
Amount of space and object takes up. Okay.
It's going to be so awkward when somebody watches that.
Okay, and then back to table 1. What was your definition for weight?
I got this.
And next up, Carly.